Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Elementor headers and footers. First, ensure you have Elementor Pro installed and activated on your WordPress site. Navigate to the Templates section in your WordPress dashboard, then select Theme Builder to begin creating your custom designs. This is where you'll manage all your site parts, including headers and footers. You can either start from scratch or use a pre-made template to save time. To build your header, click Add New in the Theme Builder and choose Header. Name your template clearly, then launch the Elementor editor. Here, you can drag and drop essential widgets such as your site logo, navigation menu, and any social media icons. Remember to adjust the layout, colors, and typography to match your brand. Always check the responsive settings to ensure it looks great on mobile, tablet, and desktop.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, speaking of things that support you all day, let's talk about socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link to Darn Tough socks and other exclusive deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Designing your footer follows a very similar process. Go back to the Theme Builder, select Add New and choose Footer. Within the Elementor editor, you can add widgets like contact details, a copyright notice, and perhaps a smaller navigation menu. Once your design is complete, click Publish and set the display conditions. Typically, you'll want your footer to appear across your entire website for consistency. Elementor Pro allows for advanced customization. You can set specific display conditions, meaning different headers or footers can appear on particular pages or posts. Consider making your header sticky so it remains visible as users scroll, improving navigation. Always prioritize responsive design. Elementor's built-in tools let you adjust column structures and element visibility for various devices, ensuring a flawless experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.